Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are learning pivot tables from last two episodes, and today's episode is also going to be a continuation in the pivot table series. In today's video, we are going to learn about slicers as well as pivot table charts. If you haven't watched previous videos on pivot tables, I am pasting the link in the description. I would recommend you to go through it. Let's go back to our data set and create a new pivot table. The shortcut for creating a new pivot table is Alt NVT. Let's take a new worksheet and I'm gonna create a very simple pivot table. Here is the simple pivot table. If I want to filter year by year, then it's a tedious task. I have to go here, click drop down and select the year. So now in the pivot table, there is much better option for this advanced filtering. How do you do this advanced level filtering? That is through usage of slicers. So how can we create slicers? Click on the pivot table, go to insert, click slicers. Now it will ask you to select the fields on which you want to insert slicers. Remember, all these are the fields or columns that are available in your base data. For now, let me click on year and category. That is something we have. Click OK. Now you can see the slicers appeared. So now instead of clicking drop down, you can directly go and click on the year if you want to filter the data based on year. Your pivot table changes accordingly. In case if you want to do multiple selection, hold your control key and then select whatever you want. If you want to remove everything, just click on clear filter button. Another important thing that may be helpful to you is creating multiple columns. The first row has 2019, second has 2020 and third one is 2021. If you clearly observe, this is a single column, right? So how can you have two columns here? That's by changing the column number here. Instead of 1, if I change it to 2 tiles appeared in a single row. If I click it to 3, again 3 tiles appeared in a single row. Now how can you create a chart based on this pivot table? Click anywhere on the pivot table, go to pivot table analyze, click on pivot chart. It will give you a wide range of selection. Choose the one that you think appropriate. Let me select a bar chart for the time being. Click OK. Here is the chart. Now if I want to see only the 2021 data, then I can just click on 2021 and everything gets automatically changed. If I want to see 2021 deposit data, then I'll click 2021 first, then I'll click on deposit. This is my deposit data. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Until my next video, happy learning.